Hi, I'm Matt Atwood, a certified financial planner professional at TimeWise Financial. And today we want to talk about interest rates. Now you might have heard that interest rates are about to start rising. But we want to talk about what that means both for you and the stock market. So firstly, what does it mean when they say the Fed's going to hike rates? Well, the Federal Reserve sets the federal funds rate. And the federal funds rate is the rate at which banks can borrow overnight from that Federal Reserve. These banks aren't going to go out of business overnight, and therefore there's very little risk, and they pay really low interest on those loans. Now, every loan across the economy then is tied to that federal funds rate. And so depending on your credit or your spending habits or your other lines of debt that you might already have, they apply a premium to that federal funds rate, and that's the interest rate that you pay. So what does this interest rate hike mean for you? Well, if interest rates go up, things like car loans, mortgages, even credit cards are going to cost a bit more. It's going to cost a bit more to borrow money. We're already seeing the 30-year mortgage start to approach 4%, which is a rate we haven't seen in some time. And so what does this mean for the stock market? Well, if it costs more to borrow money, and both consumers and companies use borrowed money to finance projects or home purchases or car purchases, they're now going to be a little less incentivized to do so. And so less spending means less corporate earnings. Companies won't be making quite as much money. And a reduction in earnings can either slow down growth in the economy, which is the intended purpose of these rate hikes, or it could even have a negative impact on stock returns. Now for our clients, we're monitoring these interest rate hikes to ensure that our clients' portfolios are set to react accordingly. But if you are not a client and you're worried about how your portfolio may react to these interest rate hikes, please either give us a call or comment below and we'll be sure to reach out. Now, be sure to check out our blog post as well, as we're going to be putting out some content in addition to this video about what's happening in the interest rate environment. With that being said, thanks for watching, and bye.